We're going to talk a little bit about collecting pocket watches today. Here is a short checklist so that you can buy a pocket watch in confidence. The first step to picking a pocket watch is to learn all you can about the different makes of the pocket watch. Get a good reference guide. The next step of the process is to decide what type of pocket watch you want to collect. Step 3 is to check and see what other people are paying for their pocket watches, so you can get the right deal. Step 4 is to create an eBay account and make your first pocket watch purchase. Visit us at FuseyPocketWatches.com.